taking photos, creeping on the weekend.
Got this like competition meet day nerves going on, and it feels great. I think there's something in me that loves the feeling of being terrified of something that I know that I can do. Like, it's knowing that you can do something and being scared of it, but still pushing yourself through that fear. That's the feeling that I like. And like, do I think I'm gonna win by any means? No, I am not that good yet, but I have potential. And this is literally me going into my second season of biking. I've been on my bike 3 times this year. Long story short, I have a competition today, and it feels terrifying and good and exciting all at the same time. It's gonna be a good day.
But like not anything.
What are we saying?
You started?
We
got it, baby! Going to the finals. Oh yeah, Ashley. Kicking ass. GoPro Games 2023.
Oh, slalom kicking off with our amateur finals here at 11:30.
Give me the scoop. Where are we at today?
All right, we are in the Minturn Bike Park. Today is day 2 of GoPro Games. Ashley and I made it to the finals, which is awesome. So we're gonna be competing today here in like, what, 10 minutes? That's the GoPro track right there. It's pretty fun. I was averaging about 31 seconds last time. I think Ash was at what, 35?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty sweet. I think we could definitely pick up some time. Yesterday we did pretty well. It was a little drier because we were kind of riding more around 5 o'clock. But today we could ride before the pros, so we're really the pros today.
Pretty much main flaw is I have my full downhill, so it absorbs every jump that I have. So just gonna try to hit the berms faster than I did yesterday pretty much. The ground feels really good and grippy today, so I just need to trust myself and trust my bike. And try to gain that speed right at the end so I can make it up those little pump track situation, whatever.
Yeah.
Win.
Dropping in for the first round. Right now, mirror images. Kaylin pushing hard. That party shirt and neon helmet, so easy to see. But this is going to be the first head-to-head battle for the top step of the podium here today. Our amateur women 19 plus on course. Bree Asseltine has a 1.5 second advantage on run number 1. But Ashley Smith is charging hard right now. She's off to maybe a slight lead into these rollers. Now Bree is already starting to open up that gap here in the lower rollers. She just needs to keep it pointed north-south, rubber on the bottom. She will collect a gold medal here. It will be Bree Asseltine taking home the gold. Next pair should be David Sanders into the green lane, Riley Fitzgerald into the blue. Of course, right now, a slight advantage inside on that blue lane. Still in the number 2 qualifier, David Sanders, into that green lane as they come around these last few rollers. 1 corner to go, and it will be green lane. Make some noise for Ashley Smith.
Yeah! Ready.
And your winner today of the amateur women 19 plus, all the way from Big Bear City, California. Make some noise for Bree Asseltine.
Yeah, Bree! Where are you going?
Make some noise one more time here. Amateur women 19 plus podium. Here for the Straight Acres dual slalom. Ranking right along now into the largest category we had all weekend long. This is our amateur boys 14.